The snow has finally stopped here in Boston, and we're in South Boston, technically, where they got 31 inches of snow. It's an older part of the city. It's a lot of narrow streets. There was a plow that was able to get down this street, but not many cars have been rolling down. Why? Because they all look like this. Look at this thing. I mean, there's a car in there somewhere. Hello? We're going to help dig Stephanie out. Although, do you even want to go to work today?
Yes, I need my vacation.
Okay, she wants to go to work, so this will be good. All right, I got it.
Are you sure?
We just need a little bit more room. We're all right. I don't feel like you're being truthful in that you want to go to work.
I do.
I think you're just doing that for the camera.
Okay. Where were you last night?
We were stuck somewhere else.
This is not going to work, but 1, 2, 3.
We got it. Yeah, baby, we got it. Yes. Woo! Nice work, team.
I'm impressed. Not gonna lie.
Nice job.
I'm impressed. Good job.
Now the bad news is.
Now I gotta go to work.
No, you gotta go to work. Okay, I got the heat on for you.
You're the best. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Bye. Be safe.
Sorry you have to go to work.
I just want to make sure she's got a space when she comes home. Because it was that hard to get in, to get out of. It's not going to be any easier to get in.